and printer.
Yeah, you use the same recipe, the same process you have now on the template.
Okay.
Really different.
Straight?
You can also use the same light unit, also, the UV light, and use the screens. Or you can get a smaller unit like this.
I'm sorry, I'm confused. So the printout, so this is the film.
That's the template, yeah.
That's a template, and you take it down and expose it.
Yeah, let me let's get to the.
Yeah, then you put tape on the outside.
It's easier to see it all in steps, right?
Okay.
Lados también.
Ah, mira, a veces
Veces.
esa cadena ahí por el poder.
Bien hecho. Este lado también.
Okay. Okay. Expose it like normally.
Y aquí Portugués.
Okay. Okay.
Mejor más para abajo.
Como más verde para llegar a más.
How much is this?
This far away. Like that far away. Like this. Perpendicular angle. Don't do it like this.
On the side.
It's gotta be straight on. Spin the glass.
Straight.
And you see it?
Feel.
Yeah, it goes away like that. Hold it like a pencil.
This.
Yeah, hold it like a pencil if you can. Yeah.
And not on the side, straight.
Straight at.
Like that?
Yeah. Farther away. Yeah. Spin it more because you're kind of doing it at an angle.
Que ese spin, que le dé vuelta.
Ajá.
Okay, that's too much.
Yeah.
So when I was talking about
I leave it.
spinning it, if you do it like that, it lifts it up. So you got to do it straight at it. See how I'm straight at it? So it kind of lifted up. It looked like
Take it out the letters.
it looked like it lifted up a letter. But I think it'll be all right.
Okay.
We'll see. I thought I saw a letter come up. Yeah, the F. It's kind of at an angle.
Like that,
Straight at.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
It's all right.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.